Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to select object that is below another one object. So for example, we have situation when we have one object behind the another one object, yeah? So what can you do in this situation to select object that is behind this one black rectangle? If you will click selector tool, you will not be able to do it because in this situation you will select the rectangle on the top. So if you want to do it, I recommend you two methods. First method is press and hold Alt button on your keyboard. After that, you need to click somewhere on this object, and like you see, our object has been successfully selected here. You can easily move this object by holding your Alt button, and of course in this way you can edit this element how you want and change this position again. The second method is really simple too. I recommend you to go to layer and then we need to open layers and objects. You will see this one window. I recommend you first select object on top. Then you can see that it is this one object and we can easily hide this object by clicking here. And now you can easily select object on the bottom and make any modifications you want. For example, you can move this object or you can change the color and make any other actions. Of course, if you will finish the modification, I recommend you to unhide the previous object, and that's how it works. And that's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my tutorials.